Look at the beautiful yellow bird. Isn't it pretty? I think he's going to call the mate pretty soon. Because usually they're two together. It's funny to see just one. What a beautiful yellow, isn't it? I wonder what happened to the other one. So pretty. I mean, even the beak is yellow. If you put this on full screen, you can probably see it. Kind of waiting to see if the other one's going to pop in. Because they are always two together. This is all part of wildlife, part of the outside. Whoops, the other bird came in and threw that one right out. Oh, oh, oh. That one went on top, scared the other one. Now what's going to happen? Okay. Guess neither one of them are coming back. Oh, that's too bad. Alright, hope you enjoyed watching that beautiful yellow bird eat. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, because we have a lot of interesting videos that will be going up through the summer. So bye-bye. And all varieties of different things, because this is a variety channel where we bring you antique cars, readings, animals, horse shows, Appaloosa horse shows, dog shows, tractors, everything, motorsports, antiques, everything. Bye-bye now.